Grubhub driver login, sign in Grubhub driver account. Now if you wish to log in or sign into your Grubhub driver account, it's actually quite very simple. First of all, you must make sure to download the Grubhub for drivers application on your respective Play Store or App Stores. Once you've done that, just make sure to go ahead and then launch the app. Now if you haven't already signed up as a driver, you can say sign up to Grubhub delivery. But if you already have an account and you just wish to sign in, then you can just tap on the log back in option here. Now you just have to go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address associated with your account, and then after that you can also go ahead and then make sure to enter your password. Once you enter your email and password, then you can tap on the login button there, and from there on you'll be able to log into your Grubhub driver account. This way you can go ahead and then basically log into your Grubhub driver account. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.